Okay, does the my screen have been shown, sir?
Yes.
Okay, then I will start. Ya, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, Pak Mardani, everyone. We are from Group Chandra, and we will present our project, which is I'm sorry. Which is we will use an earthquake data analysis. So we consist of 5 people, me, myself, Rauf, Finanisa Zafira, Chandra Zaki, Aziz Hamdani, and Norman Mikael. Okay, so the earthquake data is consists of 6,000 samples of earthquake that gather from 3 sensors in Stanford, California. I have to mention that this data we acquired from Kaggle. So in the Kaggle, the data has been captured from the 3 sensors in Stanford, California. So they captured the earthquake that happened there. And there's 3 sensors, E, N, and Z. And this earthquake data will be used to predict when when an earthquake will occur in the near future. How do we use the data, the 6,000 samples of earthquake data to predict the earthquake in the near future? We will be explained by my partner Chandra later. Yes, and we also use the tool of Apache Spark that we already explained last week also. And maybe I will continue for my partner Chandra.
No, it's
Oh, Vira, sorry.
actually me. Yeah.
Vira. I'm
Okay.
sorry.
Okay. Thank you, Ralph, for the opportunity to present our group. So the data itself, as have been told by Ralph before, it consists of around 6,000 samples, and the columns itself, we got like 7 main columns, which are consist of the data of the sensors. The first one is the wave before the wave is arriving with P sensors, and on also the current time when the wave is arrived, and then is the and also the sensor when the wave is already left. And then also the sensor itself, it represented by P and S, and also we got the code N as the data that contains of the endpoint of that can tell us whether the earthquake has been finished. And also the column that said after code N that can tell us where the earthquake has been finished. Next slide. Okay, so in this slide, we can see that the data are consist of mostly with float data type, and the ID itself is using in data type, and also we got object data types in station and network, which we will adjust all the data type in the process later. Next slide. So the process that we will be doing is the first one is to get the data which we already which we have done that step, and then the next step is to do the exploratory data analysis, which in this we have told our intention of processing this data is to like do the prediction. So maybe it will be a bit challenging that we have to find the which one is the data target, right? So, and then the next step is to do the data processing, and in this step we will do like encoding the categorical data So we will make it into the numerical data, and it will make the process to be easier. And then the next step is we will do the data modeling and data evaluation, which will be explained more with my friend Chandra. So you can proceed to the next slide. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Vira. So basically, this is our goals to create a system that can predict earthquakes phases in real time based on the pattern provided by three existing sensors. Because to find out the points of three sensors using the manual methods requires a longer time. And for data modeling and data evaluation, we plan to create some machine learning models, maybe like random forest classifier or XGBoost classifier. Then we will compare each model that has a better outcome. Yeah, I think that's all. Next. Yeah, I think that's all from us. Thank you for your attention.
Okay, thank you. That's also the cool things I think that we found today. You using the earthquake data for today's one. So can you explain to me what the main purpose of you when you want to analyze the data from the earthquake data?
As our main purpose is actually we find that this is quite interesting to analyze something that is not really familiar to us. So we don't really used to process like this kind of data, but we want to do like to challenge our team to like do a new like data set. Yeah, so we just find this really interesting, and we want to know something new more. That's all, sir.
Yeah, that's cool. I think that's actually the purpose of data scientists. Yeah, to find out and to observe something beyond of us. Yeah. So I think that's cool thing. So please proceed. Yeah, I think
Thank you, sir.
and then I think the data is already if you looking for in the internet, I think you will find a lot of data set on the earthquake history and event. Yeah, so it will help you a lot to do the analysis. Okay, that's excellent for this team. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.